Making fresh, preservative-free bread at home usually means hours of messy kneading and unpredictable proofing, but we can skip all of that. This is the American Micronic 550-watt fully automatic bread maker. It is designed to handle the mixing, resting, and baking for you. Before we start, check your hardware. You should have the main unit, the non-stick dough pan, a measuring cup, a dual-sided measuring spoon, and the metal hook tool. Having these components ready and understanding how the machine sequences its steps turns baking from a weekend chore into a hands-free daily routine. Step 1 is prepping the hardware. Open the lid, grab the wire handle, twist the pan counterclockwise to unlock it, and lift it out to rest on your counter. Inside the pan is a center post with a flat edge. Slide the non-stick kneading blade down onto this D-shaped shaft so it locks into place. Do not add any ingredients before securing this blade. If the blade isn't seated first, the machine cannot mix the dough and the cycle fails. Now for the loading phase. There is a strict rule for bread makers. You must sequence your ingredients vertically. Pour your liquids into the bottom first, then layer all your dry ingredients evenly across the top. Finally, make a shallow well in the center of the flour and drop your yeast inside, keeping it completely separated from the liquid below. Carefully lower the loaded pan back into the internal heating chamber. Twist it clockwise to lock it firmly into the base. This strict ingredient hierarchy keeps the yeast entirely dormant. It will only activate when the machine's internal timer begins the precise mixing and heating cycle. Close the lid and look at the digital control panel to program your bake. Press Menu to cycle through the 19 pre-programmed options on the left. For a standard loaf, stop on Menu 1 for basic bread. Next, press the Wait button. Watch the cursor at the top of the screen and set it to your desired loaf size. Then press Crust Color to move the bottom cursor between light, medium, or dark. Press Start. The timer appears on the display, and the motor immediately begins the mixing phase. With those 4 presses, you've translated a complex, multi-stage baking process into a single digital command. Over the next few hours, the machine runs completely unattended. It will execute 4 distinct phases: mixing, kneading, rising, and baking. During kneading, the motor aggressively works the dough. This rapid motion hydrates the flour and develops the strong gluten structure required for perfect loaves. When the cycle finishes, the machine will sound a series of beeps. Press and hold the Stop button to turn off the heating element. The internal chamber and the pan are now extremely hot. You must wear thick oven mitts before opening the lid. Grab the wire handle, twist to disengage the lock, and pull the pan straight up and out of the machine. Invert the hot pan over a wire cooling rack. Give it a gentle shake to release the finished loaf. Occasionally, the kneading blade gets baked into the bottom of the bread. If that happens, use the provided metal hook to fish it out safely. Never use a knife, as it will scratch the non-stick coating. Respecting the machine's heat and using the right extraction tools protects both your equipment and the structural integrity of your fresh bread. Let the bread cool entirely before slicing. You'll find a uniform crumb inside and the exact crust color you programmed on the outside. You get a bakery-quality result without any of the manual labor or the flour-covered countertops. This automation extends beyond standard loaves. By selecting Menu 11, the machine acts as a dedicated dough mixer, perfectly kneading your daily atta for chapati, puri, and paratha. Mastering this single tines significantly cuts down your daily kitchen prep time. Drop a comment below with the first recipe you plan to make and subscribe for more complete appliance tutorials.